Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today's video is going to be on how to plug a car tire. So this is kind of what you're going to need. There's different size plugs there in the middle, so we're going to use the smaller ones on the bottom, not the large ones on the top. But you're going to need a razor blade, some rubber cement, a boring tool, an insertion tool, and some needle nose pliers to get whatever object is off inside the tire. So let's go look at what we got going on. Alright, my wife's tire light kept coming on. Low air pressure in the back tire was sinking down. So this is what we found. Inside there is a little tiny nail. See if I can zoom in, get a better picture of it for y'all. There it is. And it's in between the treads. It's kind of probably the worst spot you can get it besides the sidewall, because if you wanted to get an object, you want to kind of get it in the tread, because it'll eventually work its way out and it's way thicker. But this is in between tread, and that's why it was losing so much air so quick. Like every day it would be flat. If you got a hole in the sidewall, it's pretty much done. You can't do anything. And this is on a Goodyear tire, so it's a decent tire. I don't want to get new ones yet because it's still got a great tread. 16s. These are Goodyear assurances. Yeah. So we're gonna have to get that object out, and then we'll look at the size of the hole to determine what kind of plug we're gonna use. As you can see, it's a pretty big nail that's in there. Probably hear the air leaking out. The hole's right underneath it. So we're gonna use the smallest plug, but we gotta bore that hole right there out with the boring tool. Alright, we got the boring tool out. We're gonna use it and enlarge the hole. Alright, once you've bored the hole out, you're basically trying to remove any of the metal lining in that hole. It's going to snag up the plug when you're trying to insert it. We'll pull it out and you'll see how big we enlarged it to, and it's going to leak some air quickly. We bored out all that metal in between, and we're going to get the plug in there now. Alright, now that the tire has lost all its air, we'll put a little bit of rubber cement inside of the hole we enlarged and stick the plug and the plug tool down inside the hole until it's flush with the base of the tool. Okay, once you have the tool down and the plug extended just about 1/8 to 1/4 inch over the hole, the object now is to pull this tool straight out rapidly, straight up and out, and it'll break the plug inside the tire. Let's do that now. Alright, and as you can see, the plug has come up slightly past the treads, so we'll trim that accordingly, put a little bit more contact cement down there, and let it dry for an hour or so before reinflating. If you were in a pinch and a hurry, you could reinflate immediately, but I'm just going to wait a little bit because it's in my garage and I don't have to go anywhere. Let's get this thing cleaned up. Okay, we cut it flush and get better focus. We dabbed a little bit of rubber cement on it and let it dry, inflate it, and check for leaks again. Alright, we let it dry for a little while now, and it seems to be tacky, so we'll just get it on the car and set it down. And I'm not going to drive it today, so it'll be fine by tomorrow. It's holding air. You don't hear no noise, no leaking. So yeah, that's pretty much how you would patch a tire. It's pretty quick, pretty simple. As long as you're in the center part of the tread, from about here to about there, in this area, you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.